how much should you actually spend on a PC case? Because some folks are happy with the cheap ones but end up returning the more expensive options. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Cooler Master Q300L. Let's kick things off with the Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L, priced at just $39.99. This compact micro ATX case really caught my attention with its modular, adjustable I/O panel and magnetic dust filters. If you want a case that balances affordability and functionality, this is worth a serious look. It accommodates CPU coolers up to 159 min height and GPU cards up to 360, which means you can install some pretty powerful components. Plus, the perforated airflow design helps with cooling, allowing you to install up to 5 fans or a 240 liquid cooler. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Optimal airflow means better cooling performance, which is crucial for high-performance gaming or heavy tasks. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to spend a bit of time organizing your cables, this isn't a deal breaker, especially at this price point. It's really about how much you value a clean setup. This is perfect for you if you're building a budget gaming rig or just need a solid case for your everyday PC. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a lot of RGB options, because this is more about functionality. Now, if the Q300L's cable management issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Corsair 4000 DRS. Next up is the Corsair 4000 DRS, priced at $89.99. This mid-tower ATX case caught my eye with its high airflow design and 3 pre-installed ARGB fans. If you're after a case that combines style and function, you'll want to hear more about this one. The standout feature here is the frame modular case system, which allows for customization like you wouldn't believe. Want to swap out your I/O panel or upgrade the motherboard tray? You can do that. Plus, those 3 ARGB fans are not just for looks. They help maintain a cool internal temperature while being near silent at low loads. This matters because it means you can game or work without the distraction of loud fans. However, some users noted that the build quality feels a bit less solid compared to pricier cases. I'll be real with you, while it may not feel as premium, the airflow and cooling capabilities definitely make up for it in terms of performance. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable case with great airflow for gaming or high-performance builds. Skip this if you need something that feels more premium in terms of materials. You're getting good value for your money here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a bit of flair. Product number 3, MUSETX K2. Now let's talk about the MUSETX K2, also priced at $89.99. This one really stands out with its 7 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans and dual tempered glass design. If you're looking for a case that not only looks stunning but also performs well, this is worth considering. It supports GPUs up to 400 min length and CPU coolers up to 165, which means you won't have to compromise on your hardware. The adjustable speed fans not only look great but also help in keeping your system cool, which is essential for gaming sessions. But here's the catch. Some users have mentioned that the fan noise can be noticeable at higher speeds. Here's the thing though, if you're gaming or working with high loads, you'll appreciate the cooling benefits more than you'll mind the fan noise. This is perfect for you if you're a gamer who values aesthetics alongside performance. Skip this if you prefer a quieter setup over flashy lights and cooling. Honestly, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the K2's noise factor worries you, the next case I'll show you is all about silent performance. Product number 4, NZXT H5 Flow. Next on the list is the NZXT H5 Flow, priced at $79.99. This compact mid-tower case really impressed me with its high airflow design and support for large radiators. If you want a case that prioritizes cooling without sacrificing style, this is definitely one to check out. The ultrafine mesh panels ensure that dust doesn't clog up your system while allowing maximum airflow. This matters because keeping your hardware cool means a longer lifespan and better performance. However, some users feel the lack of RGB lighting is a downside. Here's the deal. If you're someone who prefers a clean aesthetic and values performance over flashy lights, then you'll find this case refreshing. This is perfect for you if you need effective cooling for a powerful setup while maintaining a sleek look. Skip this if you're all about RGB lighting and vibrant colors, as this one keeps it simple. You're still getting excellent value here. Alright, that was a solid choice. But the final entry on my list really ups the ante on aesthetics. Product number 5, MUSETX Y6. Last but not least, we have the MUSETX Y6, priced at $80.99. This case is a showstopper with its 7 infinity mirror ARGB fans and full-view tempered glass panels. If you're looking for a case that's as much about style as it is about substance, you definitely want to hear about this one. The Y6 features a breathtaking design that gives a panoramic view of your components. It supports GPUs up to 410 and CPU coolers up to 160, making it highly compatible with high-end hardware. The fans not only look amazing, but are controllable via motherboard software, allowing you to customize the lighting and fan speeds. This is a big deal for anyone wanting to show off their build with flair while keeping everything cool. A downside is that some users have mentioned difficulty in cable management due to the layout. But honestly, if you take a little extra time to organize, it's not a deal breaker. You're still getting a visually stunning case that performs well. This is perfect for you if you're a gamer or a PC builder who cares about aesthetics as much as performance. Skip this if you're looking for something more utilitarian and less flashy. You're getting a solid case that delivers on both style and function. So there you have it. We've looked at 5 fantastic PC cases under $100. The Cooler Master Q300L for budget-friendly functionality, the Corsair 4000 DRS for customizable airflow, the MUSETX K2 for stunning visuals, the NZXT H5 Flow for high-performance cooling, and the MUSETX Y6 for that eye-catching design. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to what you value most in your build.